Hey, welcome to another episode of Always Ask Questions, man. Today we're going to be asking the question of, are you making an offer? Are you asking for the sale? Now, this is very, very important, whether you're an artist, I'm an artist, so I'll be trying to talk to you guys who are artists and stuff, but if you're an entrepreneur in general, and you have a product that you're selling, right? You're selling something, you're posting about it all the time, you're sharing the images, you're sharing your artwork, you're sharing your product or whatever, but you gotta ask yourself, hey, did I even ask for the sale, right? Did I ask for the people to actually buy this? Did I say, hey, listen, we have this, hey, we got this t-shirt, whatever, it's super dope. You can hit the link in the description, blah, blah, blah. Are you asking for the sale? Because a lot of times you'll be posting, but you're not giving people what is called a call to action, right? A call to action will be like, shop now, buy now, purchase now, sign up today, these sort of things. And a lot of times people just do not do that. They be wondering, hey man, I'm not making any sales on this. Yeah, you're posting, but you're not asking for it. When the last time you went to your relatives, if you called everybody on the phone, one by one, call everybody up and just say, they be like, hello? You'd be like, hey, how you doing, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I got this new product dropping, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I just want to know, hey, could you go ahead and, would you like to purchase this? It's really awesome. I made it as part of my business. And just do it. Cold call, right? Asking your family and friends. These are the closest people around you that knows you, and see if any of them will invest in your business. Now, some may not. But then what you can do is you can go on social media, you can go on Instagram, you can go on Facebook, you can go on YouTube, you can go wherever, and literally do videos with you and that product. Or you can show how the product is used. You can show what the product does, any of these different things. And in there, somewhere in there, you can either put links to it, and you can also ask. Asking, a lot of people are afraid to ask. They're afraid to ask for the sale. They're afraid to make an offer. And I'm like, either you're not making offers or you're afraid to make an offer. Now, if you just don't realize you're not making offers, then okay, that's on you, But hey, make the offer. Ask people. You may be surprised. If you got somebody who's always commenting on your posts over and over again, hey, hit them in the DM. I mean, there's nothing wrong with hitting them in the DM and say, hey, listen, hey, I just want to know, would you mind purchasing this product? Hey, it does this, it does that. I think it'd be great for you, blah, blah, blah. Or hey, if you just want to support the business. I've seen people do videos on YouTube, right? And when they do a video on YouTube, they'll just tell people, hey, I just want to let you know, if you want to support the channel, boom, here's my Cash App. Boom, 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 boom. They'll put it right here, down there, or they'll put in a link in the description. They'll tell everybody, hey, if you want to support the channel, hey, just hit the Cash App, man, $1, $5, or whatever, or you can do the super thanks or whatever. And you never know, somebody just might be in a good mood. Be like, you know what, yeah, let me do that. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, you know what, let me get that to you. Yo, you know what, all right. Yeah, let me go ahead and support. I want to support that person. You'll be surprised how many people will buy from you just because they like your personality, they like who you are, and they want to support. They want to support exactly what you got going on, right? So, all right, we're going to do a practice round right now, okay? Look. Hey, man, it's In Your Face Art. I'm the artist. I draw all this stuff here. We have tons of different designs and everything. We got full sublimated t-shirts. We got hoodies, tank tops, leggings, shorts, all type of stuff. If you would just be so kind to go to inyourfaceart.com. Matter of fact, most of my videos, I put an advertisement in my video. So whenever I'm talking and stuff, it'll break away like it's about to do right now. Watch. Hey man, hold that thought. I hope you guys are getting a lot of good value from this video. But I want to let you know this video is sponsored by In Your Face Art. You can go ahead and hit the link in the description, man. Get you some really, really dope merch. I drew and designed all this stuff myself. We got many, many more designs, and I'm working on making a lot more original pieces. So if you want to look something like this, or you want to get something like this, hit that link in the description, man. These do not fade in the wash. They run big. We got big guy sizes. They're very, very vibrant. They're very, very soft, colorful, all that stuff. And they all drawn by me, man. So hit me up, man. Link in the description. If you really want to get some heat, you want something different. And if you really want to go different, hold up. Check out our LED bags as well, man. Dope book bags and stuff like that. You can check these out too, man. Customizable. So, rock with your boy, man. It's one way you can support the channel. You already know what it is. See? That's how you do it. So you ask and let people know, hey, this is what we have. This is what we have to offer. Go ahead and get you some stuff today, man. You can support the channel, blah, 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 blah. You know, these are different things that we have to be reminding ourselves that we do. You know, we have to ask for that sale. You have to make an offer. Because sometimes closed mouths don't get fed. Some people may just be like, oh, that's a really nice picture. Oh, that's a really nice drawing. Oh, that's a really nice cup. Do you know how many times I've posted stuff and people didn't even know it was for sale? I would post stuff and I would post dope pictures, artwork, posters, all that stuff. Then I'll have people hit me in the DM and they'll be like, hey, I just want to know, man, yo, is that for sale? Hey, man, that is really nice, man. I wish I could, man, if you was selling these, this would be dope. And I'm like, I am selling these. What are you talking about? But I didn't tell anybody that that's what I was doing. I didn't say, hey, buy now. Hey, shop today. Hey, if you would like these, hit the link in the description. All those different things are so important when it comes to, you know, that customer interaction. We got another video that I'm going to be doing in the future called, do you have followers or do you have customers? Which is a big thing because when you make an offer, you're gonna see that. You know, how many people are actually buying and hitting that link? How many people are actually participating other than just commenting? How many are actually committing to the sale? How many offers are you making in a day? That's another thing. You know, that's why it's important to run advertisement, because when you're running advertisement, ultimately what you're doing is you're sending out thousands and thousands of offers. The more money you put out there, the more offers you're going to get out there. The more offers you have out there, you have a nice percentage of those offers that will turn into sales. There's only so much hand-to-hand that you can do. There's only so many people you could talk to in person. There's only so many things you could do at a convention or a pop-up shop or whatever, but the internet is pretty much infinite. Everybody has a phone. Everybody's on their phone one way, shape, or form. So if you are having the ability to make offers, run an advertisement all day long, like, man, that is a blessing. It's insane. You can be sitting back doing whatever you do, getting things done, taking a break or whatever, and those ads are making offers, right? Sometimes some people need to be led to the sale. They need to be led to the product. You need to say, hey, you know what? Why don't you go ahead and hit the link in the description. Go ahead and do that for yourself today. Go ahead, you do it right now. Like, people do that because they may think, oh, this dude is crazy. He's in the screen. You got a lot of people be like, you know what? Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. You're literally talking to them. You're guiding them and telling them, hey, this is what you need to be doing right now. And you have some people who will follow through and do that. So if you're an entrepreneur, you have a product, and you have a business or you have a service or whatever, you know, have you ever seen the commercial where they be like, hey, so pick up the phone and call right now. Pick up the phone and call right now. 1-800 blah, 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 blah. That's 1-800 blah, 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 blah. They do it so much. If you keep hearing that commercial, it's embedded in your brain. Better call Saul. Even his catchphrase is telling you what to do. It's better call Saul, but he's telling, hey, you better call Saul. He's telling you what to do. He's offering you the sale. Like, some people offer it and some people will tell you, like, hey, tell you, you know? So it's very, very important, man, for you to do these things, because more times than not, it'll help lead you to that next sale. You know, I sell a lot of merch. I sell a lot of artwork. I've sold all over the world. I mean, like, all over the U.S. I've sold, you know, internationally here and there, but I've sold all over the U.S., man. I've been everywhere, man, from the south side to the west coast to the east coast, up north, down south, you name it, you know, and you have to make that offer. You have to let people know. And most importantly, are you asking your close ones or relatives, your family members and stuff? Because you're going to get the no's, but hey, you're going to get some people to actually support. Let them support. If they can support people they don't know, they can support people that, you know, who are already rich. Hey, at least they can do is support you in your business, you know? So it never hurts to ask. The worst thing that can happen is no. And sometimes what I heard some entrepreneurs do, they want to get at least 3 no's. Don't give up on the first no. Like, if you're having a conversation with somebody, like, hey, listen, you know, I got these t-shirts here that I'm selling. You might like these. Nah, you know, I'm not really in the mood for, nah, hey, but, you know, okay, that's fine. But, you know, but do you like t-shirts? Because I'm telling you, man, this one is fire. Nah, I mean, I don't know, we're here. You know what I'll do? I'll put the shirt in their hands. Let them hold it. Like, there are so many different psychological things that you can do to get that sale. But the first thing you need to do off top is make an offer. If you're not making an offer, then all of this is irrelevant. You got to make the offer. You got to put it out there and put it in people's face. Like, making this type of stuff, like, look at this, man. Look how dope this is. This stuff is clean. It's fresh. It's dope. It's unique. It's drawn by me. You know? You want a shirt like this? Go to inyourfaceart.com. Matter of fact, if you go to inyourfaceart.com right now, use the promo code FACE. It's just FACE. It gives you 15% off everything that's on the website. Just make the offer. Whether you do it or not is irrelevant. My whole point is I'm going to keep making an offer, and eventually, like somebody got me. I draw on the iPad. I draw on this app called Procreate, right? So I've been seeing this advertisement for the past 2 or 3 months about this brush set that they got. They got all these brushes. They got a whole set full of brushes. And I'm like, man, this thing's only like $30-something, like $35. I kept seeing it, kept popping up. Last night, I just went ahead and bought it. Let me see all the brushes that's in this set, man. I keep seeing this advertisement. Let me go ahead and purchase this thing. They got a sale out of me. You know, sometimes people need to see stuff 5, 6, 7, 10 times, whatever, before they make a purchase. Some people are an impulse shopper, meaning they'll just purchase as soon as they see it, they like it, oh, I gotta get it. When you can do things at a touch of a button, it makes it even more easier for people to purchase. So that's why it's important to put it on your Instagram, your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, or whatever, because people can just hit that button, boom, you can make the sale. So I hope this video was very, very helpful for you. If you have any comments or you have any questions or anything like that, put it in the comments. And hey, man, please like, share, and subscribe to this video, man. If you are making offers, let me know what type of offers you're making in the comments, right? I just made an offer to you. Hey, would you please like, hit the subscribe button, share the video, comment on the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. You know, and like I said, if you have any questions or whatever, let me know. This has been another video of Always Ask Questions, and I'll see you next time.